Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, collectors of adult age. Dave here again. It's late. I'm tired, but I wanted to make a video. On the way home from being out earlier, had to go to the store, had to go to Walmart, pick up some groceries. Ran across 3 boxes of the Star Wars Bounty Hunters collection trading cards from Topps. I walked around with all 3 of them for about half an hour while I shopped. 45 minutes, an hour, whatever it actually was. I wound up putting 2 down and excuse me, I picked up this box. Let's find out what I got. I broke that other box a while back for Mike. He was kind enough to let me do that. But these ones are basically for me, because I was bored and I really wanted to break a box of something until something else comes out. I had to get the itch and scratch it and blah de da de da de da de da da. Let's see, there are how many packs? I don't know, whatever. There we go, 6 cards per pack, 61 total cards. Put that to the side. I'm gonna do the feel check. See if anything feels odd. Oh, that's something fun. Save that for last so far. Oh, thought that was something cool, but that was 2 packs at once. Alright, so that one feels different, so that's last. Hey, Space Riffer News, right to left or left to right, yeah, whatever. Right to left. Like I said, folks, I'm tired, so I'll probably garble something else along the way here. I'm a bit sinusy today. Let's see, we got Kin, whatever his name is, Q-I-N. We've got Dryden Voss. Hey, C-3PO. We've got Brick. I'm going to call him Ballsackhead. We got Feared Mercenaries. Mando, Boba Fett, and Fennec Shand. Battle Stormtroopers. Pretty sweet. We got Mando saves Mos Pelgo from a crate dragon. Cool. Let's see, put those over there. Number 2. Number 2. Let's see. Enfys Nest. It's a pretty cool looking costume. We have Garindan, mostly a shadow on there. Cool. Cato Parasiti. We have Rio Durant. Mando meets Ahsoka Tano, Feared Mercenaries. And we have the green Feared Mercenaries. Pretty cool. Next one up. We have Dengar. And Zuckus. He's another one. It's kind of a rude looking head. We have Lando Calrissian. Young. Boba Fett. Young. We have Moff Gideon, Feared Mercenaries. The Feared Mercenaries, Boba Fett pledges to help Mando rescue Grogu. That's red. Or pink, orange, whatever. Next one up. I don't know. Mike opened a bunch of boxes. The 3 other ones that I had for him and a few others beyond that. He was a little disappointed in not getting some of the super premium cards. I don't think he pulled a auto like the one I did, and that's a Mando, by the way, like I did in the other box. Tasu Leech. So hopefully I get something really cool from me, and if he finds more for him, he gets something cool. Peli Motto. She was a great character in Mando. Frog Lady. This is a very Mando box. I dig it. Hands Grogu over. Mando accepts a new mission from... Let's... forget this guy's name. The client, yeah. Okay. I should have remembered that. 5 packs to go until the final pack over there. So 6 altogether. Bib Fortuna. The original Ballsack forehead. Asajj Ventress. We got Bosk. Han Solo. In carbonite, though. Nice. I'll take it. Mando says goodbye to Grogu. And Bane takes Denal's armor. Okay. Eventually I'll watch the Rebels and Clone Wars and all the animated stuff, you know, but I don't know. It hasn't been a priority. We got Xian, the sister to that first one. Max Rebo. Got Lando Calrissian, Guard. Zam Wessel, Assassin. Mandalorian rescues Grogu from the lab. Heavy Mando machine gun thing is awesome. One more. Jango and Boba Fett leave Camino. That's pretty cool. Next pack. My fingers are hallucinating again. This one felt different. I don't think it is. They're just packed weird. Han Solo, not in carbonite. Cad Bane. He looked pretty cool on Mando. There's Kin, a different one. Space Slug. Huh. I was going to say something disparaging, but I decided not to. Oh, that's a numbered one. 83 of 99. Cool. The Space Slug is numbered. That's a good one. That's a good one. I'm going to flip through the other ones real quick. See if I missed any numbered ones. I don't think I did, but let's find out. Just looking at the backs. thrilling content for you guys.
Hey, guess what?
What?
Disney's gonna stream Doctor Who.
And according to Space River News, Disney is going to stream Doctor Who. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, they're not gonna own it, it's just a streaming rights.
Streaming rights. Because it's big enough to fend off the mouse. As I'm looking at cards owned by the mouse. Don't kill me, Disney. Don't send your mercenaries against me. I'm just fucking with you. I did not miss any numbered cards so far, so that makes me feel good. But it's kind of cool that the Space Slug is a numbered card. 83 and 99. See it there? Bing. Pretty cool. And it's green. Favorite color is green. Alright, moving right along. We have Aura Singh. Seeing her action figures kind of warming the pegs. Val. Hers really warmed the pegs. Enfys Nest. Different card. Hey, look. It's him. Han Solo Old. Mando meets Ahsoka again. Boba Fett battles the rebels above the Sarlacc. Take a look at the backs. Got me all checking the backs. What the hell? No numbers there. Second to last pack. Nothing looks out of sorts. L337. That's a Solo Star Wars story. Yeah. We have the Sarlacc. Garendon again. Chewbacca. Boba defeats Moff Gideon and wins the Darksaber. Mandalorian saves Grogu from Moff Gideon. Cool. Last pack, folks. Let's take a look. It feels fat. It feels stiff. Feels fat and stiff. I am a child. Let's see it. Ooh. That looks like a patch of sorts. So we're going to separate that right there. We're not going to see what it is until the end. We have Fennec Shand. Not a number. Yeah, I'm just going to set these down. Bib Fortuna. Not numbered. Moff and Mando. Not numbered. Aura Singh leaves the scene. Feared mercenaries. Not numbered. Kira. Okay, there's one more. Not numbered. And the Armorer. We have a Bounty Hunter patch or thing of Dengar. Received a commemorative Star Wars Bounty Hunter patch card. Dengar. So, no autos, but we got a pretty cool looking patch. We have a Space Slug that is numbered. Not bad. Not bad. I dig these cards. Deuces.